Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PolicyBazaar for US coverage comparison steps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the PolicyBazaar website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a new page. Here, select the type of insurance you are interested in comparing. Choose between health, auto, or life insurance based on your needs. Next, fill out the required personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to provide accurate information for effective communication. After entering your details, create a secure password for your account. Once you have created a password, click on the Sign Up or Continue button. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This step confirms your email address and activates your account. After verification, return to the PolicyBazaar website. Log in using your email address and the password you just created. Once logged in, you will be guided to the insurance comparison section. Select the specific type of coverage you wish to compare. Provide additional details required for accurate comparison. This could include your location, age, and other relevant information. Review the options presented based on your input. Take your time to compare coverage, premiums, and benefits listed. Make a note of the policies that meet your requirements. When you find a policy that suits you best, proceed with the application. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase process. Ensure that you read all terms and conditions before finalizing. After completing the application, you will receive a confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.